Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is a continuation of the Chevy Bolt EV saga with the recall and all the other videos that were made as part of, continuing the upkeep of the spread of information and to keep things as current as possible. So today, Wednesday, September 8th, 2021, I received this email from Mr. Steve Hill, who's the vice president of Chevrolet, and I'll copy and paste this text into the description below so you can read it for yourself. However, I'm going to touch on 3 points, actually 4 points. I'll give you a bonus one. But I'm not sure why this email came out today. I feel like it should have came out months ago, but I'm not the VP of Chevrolet. And I can't say that I can't say one way or another why this was chosen to be done today. So in this email, he does express that there is a recall, that the recall was expanded to all model year, all models of the Bolt EV, including the EUV. There were manufacturing defects. I guess here's what the point is. And I feel the need to share this again because some of the comments, were still a little disconcerting. Not so much on this channel, which I'm really thankful for. You guys have been actually really great with these videos, and most of you guys have been very receptive and very positive. There are some on the other side, but you know what? Everybody's entitled to their state of mind, their opinion, and I honestly welcome it. So sorry, playing with an adapter here. So the 3 points plus the fourth one that I'm going to give you, the first one is make sure to set your vehicle to a 90%, no more than 90% state of charge limitation, using the settings that we've previously discussed in the Bolt EV. Number 2, charge your vehicle more frequently and avoid depleting your battery below approximately 70 miles or 113 kilometers of remaining range where possible. You guys know that I've mentioned before that I don't know which number to pick because the range estimator has 3 numbers, a max, a min, and the one in the middle. We all assume it's the one in the middle. I go by the one that's on the bottom. I don't know, to each their own. I guess that's just driving style and habits, how I end up depleting my charge a lot faster with the way I drive. I drive very hard. The things in sport mode, I stand on the gas, the car moves, essentially. Number 3, this one is the one that's kind of caused some stir-ups in the past. Park your vehicle outside immediately after charging and do not leave your vehicle charging indoors overnight. I'll add to that. Don't charge your vehicle overnight unless you can see it and, I guess it just depends on what your schedules are. If you can charge your vehicle during the day, more power to you. I charge my vehicle during the day typically. If I must charge it at night, I stay up with it. I'm typically up till about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So if I get home at 8, 9 o'clock, I still get a few hours in. And then after I take my son to school in the morning, I'll then plug it back in while I'm working and I make it through the day. If I don't have to drive hundreds of miles, if I maybe have to drive 90 miles or so a day, then I may not even plug it in. I'll come home much lower than what they're asking, with regards to depleting below the approximate 70 miles remaining. But, you got to do what you got to do. If you have to drive, you have to drive. If you can't stop, you can't stop. That kind of thing. And so far, my car's been doing great. I'm keeping an eye on it, and so on and so forth. The fourth kind of point that I wanted to touch on is it does state in this message here that says we are working aggressively with LG to increase production as soon as possible. We will notify you when replacement parts are ready, and for your safety, please follow the 3 bullet points below, the ones that I mentioned. So they are looking at replacing the faulty lithium-ion modules, and they are going to give us some peace of mind, and we'll receive 8-year or 100,000-mile limited parts warranty. Obviously, whichever one comes first. For me, it'll probably be the 100,000 miles. But anyway, there is a concierge phone number here to call. Also down in the description, 1833 EV Chevy. 1833 EVCHEVY. Available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to midnight Eastern Time, Saturday and Sunday from noon to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Or, of course, you can contact any local Chevrolet dealer and they should be able to give you the latest information. Anyway, that's it for this one. I thought I'd share this with you. Nothing really new, not anything that we haven't already talked about, but now it's formal. There you go. Woo. All right. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, thank you for watching.